Where are those saboteurs? Are they at lower cadre, or actually those saboteurs could be seated just next to you? Because at what point do you make demands that certain documents must be availed for purposes of audit? Governor, I will put this to you, that we can do whatever we want to do. We can say all the things that we want to say. But once an audit report is out, that is what sticks in the minds of your people. That the governor ate 6 million of our money that was supposed to be paid to Kenya Power. It doesn't matter whether you now go and present those documents, the vouchers. Once the train has left the station, the train has left the station. Pick it up in the next station. So those saboteurs, Governor, what we are saying is, they are not just hurting you as governor, they are not just hurting the image of your county, they are also making us spend our time in a manner that is not useful. We are not supposed to be getting vouchers on the day that we are reviewing your documents. Those vouchers are supposed to be availed to the auditors during the time of audit.
And you'll see the next query, I'm looking at your next years, payments made to Safaricom, payments made to Nation Media Group. You know, it's not like the payment made to officers. They are not even payment made to some random suppliers. Things that can be easily explained. Senator Nyonka, then Senator Sifuna.
Chair, Governor, you are CEO of Finance. Who is it Mr. Chacha? Yeah. No. The reason why I'm raising, if you look at that voucher, the CEO of Finance has actually endorsed it. And I just wanted to ask why the CEO of Finance found it very difficult to produce this voucher, because there are copies available in his office as it's moved from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Why was the Auditor General not able to be given this voucher to validate a simple payment like this?
Yeah. Senator Sifuna, yeah, I'm sure the same frustration.
Chair, I want to help the governor of Kisii. If there are saboteurs in your administration, you allow us to deal with them. Don't protect anybody. Because unfortunately for you, you also